Hi guys, today is Saturday and it's the 1st of July, so happy new month.
Let me know.
Have some manners in my vlog. Say hi to my vlog guys. This is Lorenzo and that's Today.
That is it.
These are my work associates. I know I haven't been posting a lot of vlogs lately, but I have been extremely busy. But I am back in full effect, so look out for me guys. Why y'all laugh? Anyways, stay tuned, enjoy the vlog.
Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Flawless in my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. Like this, we flawless. Ladies, tell them say I look so good.
This is Gay. She's the mother in the kitchen. She gets us straight when we're getting out of line. This is my little station here. I was prepping strawberries. I'm not done as yet, so it's still untidy. And Roach is currently cleaning the flat top. He's the flat top guy. He cleans the flat top. Say hi to my vlog, Roach. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
You need to change your gloves, it's burnt. But yeah, that's what we're pretty much doing right now. We're just closing and cleaning the line.
That is it.
Hey, cut my shopping blows on. Yeah. Look.
That is it, one.
Gay says she's old, but she's not cool. Just another day on the job, guys. We're just making some pancakes for the line. These pancakes look a little burned though. And he's having some Fosco oats and Lasco while he's doing his job. Guys, as I was saying, it's Sunday, the 2nd of June. And we thought today was going to be busy. It's not busy. I'm actually taking a little break because my sinus is draining, so I'm not really feeling well. So I just took a quick break. What is wrong with Lorenzo? They're just something else. But yeah, every day is pretty much the same at work. We prep for the breakfast line, and we put food out for the breakfast line, and then when it reaches like 12 midday, we start prepping for the following day. And throughout the video, I will show short clips of me prepping some of the stuff. So we do strawberries, cantaloupe, grapes, blueberries, and for hot stuff, we have like eggs, mixed egg with cheese, peppers, and then what else? Sausage, French toast, pancakes, waffles. It's just a different variety of stuff, and then throughout the day when the stuff are running low, we would make more. My job is pretty much easy. It's an easy job, but when it gets really busy, it can be very tiring for us because we have to keep moving, keep making stuff over and over again. And of course, Lorenzo is in the back. He's taking the line down, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how we break down the line when we're closing. Okay, so this is the buffet line in the mornings. I'll definitely show you guys a video when everything is out, but the line is pretty much empty right now and we're cleaning up. manners in my vlog. We're cleaning up to just close down. So eggs, waffles, French toast, pancakes, potato tots, and over this side is all the meat. But I'll definitely make a vlog, not vlog, I'll make a video showing everything that we put on the line. This is my friend Peeling. Say hi to my vlog. Where are you from?
Turkey, guys.
She's from Turkey and she's here on the J1 program. How is it so far?
Actually, it's doing really well.
Really well.
So good to be here.
And how do you rate working with me out of 10?
What?
How do you rate working with me out of 10?
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10?
Yeah.
I'll feel so delighted. Thank you. She's a very nice girl. And yeah, and on Tuesday it's gonna be 4th of July, so I'll definitely vlog a part of that festivity so you guys can see as well.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight.
So we're starting the morning. I just clocked in and we're about to start doing some work. Most of the stuff are already done, so we're gonna put them out on the line shortly. As soon as I put my bags down, I have my cranberry.
I'm the shit, I'm the shit, I'm the shit on. Everyone to feel like this tonight. Yeah, look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say yeah. Look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Wake up, post up, round round in it.
So we have bacon, polo sausage, which is a smoked sausage. We have pork links. Then we have pork patties. These are chicken patties. In these spaces, we put potatoes, potato tots. This is gravy, and this is biscuit to go with the gravy. Excuse me. Excuse me, Hulk. In this space here, we put waffles and pancakes. This is French toast. This is Western style eggs, cheese, ham, and peppers. And this is just plain scrambled egg. Moving down the line, we have yogurt, granola, the strawberries, the famous strawberries that I cut. Charberry. That I cut every day. Blueberry, grapes, pineapples. You know what that is good for. Let's zoom in on that one. And then we have cantaloupe.
Desserts.
We have pastries, desserts, whatever they call it. This is a cobbler. I'm not sure. Apple. This one is apple. Cinnamon buns, blueberry muffins, cornbread, cookies, and of course we have cereals. No, we're the ones who serve the guests, but you know, some of them are so unruly. They try to grab the plates here, and then we just like, we serve you. Hey, what are you doing? Whatever. But yeah, that's basically it. So we're all set for the morning. Yes, so of course today is 4th of July. We all were red. We're representing, we're celebrating. And we're not sure if it's gonna be extremely busy, but we're prepared and we're ready. Yeah, it's gonna be extremely busy, and when it's busy, it's more money for us, more tips for us. So we're looking. Yeah, we're gonna show you before and after. I'm gonna try and sneak a video while the crowd is here.
Good morning.
This is Roach again. He's in a better mood right now. I guess he's a morning person because I am not a morning person. And of course, Tajay and Lorenzo.
And that's
Alright guys, we're gonna make some French toast. I'm gonna make 3 kinds of French toast because it's gonna be extremely busy, so we gotta prepare for the storm. It's calm right now, obviously, because we're not open. We're open at 7 a.m. So we're just trying to get stuff done. And that's how we do it. We just put it in the eggs, drop it on the flat top. Cameraman is doing his job. I like that for me. Yeah, basically big bad. Bread, man. Bread, man. Bread for days. This is it. The calm before the storm. Calm before the storm.
Category 1 that.
Category 1.
Yeah.
Look out for the storm. Guys, cracking some eggs. We use these eggs to make French toast. And then afterwards, she's gonna make cut some melon. This is Gay. Introduce yourself on the vlog, Gay.
Alright. I'm tired for it. No chatting, you see me? I big man this. I pass it, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
report
do
to
this.
her.
Normal, gay, hell in a place.
That is it.
Father, understand now? Father, did this next thing, you see me? That is it, outside.
Alright,
One
so
roach. The man I got in their place. Girl, them nutty, you see me?
buddy.
Yeah.
My team is looking good from this angle. You can go ahead. My team is looking good from this angle. I love it. I love the look.
Look for the crest.
Oh my god.
That is it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And of course the line is looking good. It's looking clean and sleek. We're all excited. This is Shan. Look at Shan, guys. Look at Shan. Look at Shan.
Yo. Outside I get the most.
Flog a block you. What you say?
Outside I get the most.
That is it.
That is it. Rascal, I guess I answer.
This is a team, guys. This is a team. This is a team. Everyone looking beautiful. Guys, it was a very rough day, busy day, I can tell you that. It's now 12:40 p.m. and we thought it would be busy until this time, but it slowed down. So now we're prepping stuff for the next day. And as per usual, I'll be cutting strawberry. As the man said, strawberry. It's not easy. It's not easy. Strawberry not easy. Strawberry the maga don't see there. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna prep the stuff for the line tomorrow, and then we'll just start doing some cleaning duties, so when it's time to close, everything is practically done. But yeah.
Looking this good, and I wouldn't change it if I the shit. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight. Yeah, looks so good tonight.
But whoa. Buddy. Ending this now. Look how around the boat light up. Last I hit this now. Tough. That is it. That is it. God bless America.
Wait on the thing that I wanna get.